The powerful Javelin anti-tank missiles that Ukraine has been getting from the United States tend to dominate the headlines. That makes sense. The Javelins aren't just highly effective weapons, they're also symbols of US support for Ukraine as a huge Russian army masses on the Russia-Ukraine border. But the Ukrainian army has only a handful of Javelin launchers, 47 from the United States plus an unspecified number that Estonia has pledged, and a few hundred of the 35-pound, 2.5-mile range, infrared-guided missiles. The huge majority of Ukraine's anti-tank missile arsenal is locally made. And the local Stugna P is proving to be just about as dangerous as the world-class Javelin. And cheaper. Ukrainian arms manufacturer Ukroboronprom began delivering Stugna PS to the army back in 2018. That year alone, the firm reportedly handed over 2,500 ATGMs. It's unclear how many launchers the company included, but it's worth noting that when Ukraine bought Javelins, it paid for a single launcher for every 10 or so missiles. So when the Ukrainians spot a target that justifies expending an ATGM, they take video of the strike and at least get some propaganda mileage out of it. Those videos, a smattering of them in recent years, give us some sense of how well the missiles work. Although, of course, the videos don't depict any total misses. Consider the most recent Stugna P strike, a recording of which appeared on social media in early January. A soldier recorded the screen of the launcher's command unit as the 46-pound, laser-guided missile targeted a truck reportedly carrying separatist fighters assaulting a Ukrainian outpost. Its range slightly exceeds the Javelin's range, and it features a top attack mode just like the American missile does. Whether the Ukrainian missile is sufficiently accurate in that mode is hard to say. Ukraine's anti-tank missiles, potentially thousands of them, could complicate a Russian attack. But ATGMs, even the deadliest of them, are just weapons in the hands of soldiers who serve in armies that rely on wise leadership, uninterrupted logistics, sound doctrine and strong domestic support in order to stand any chance of defeating a numerically and technologically superior foe. The Stugna P is impressive. Whether that will matter all that much if and when 1,200 Russian tanks roll west across Ukraine depends on a whole lot of factors that have nothing to do with any one missile type. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.